Good morning, Ismail Musa TV. Okay, so today we shall practice on how to exchange or utilize the swap, the shadow swap. Earlier I withdraw some amount of my claim when I do my staking. So I have stake actually about 37 T-Core, and as you notice, I was able to withdraw 1.36 T-Core as reward. And this is for quite some time, no? So 3 days after, you see there, it's 3 days after. Now, let me check, and I want to swap. No, how much is one core today? Okay. So the best thing to do is you open this what's this? Uh Shadowswap.xyz. Okay. So accordingly, if core mainnet will be open, if core mainnet will be open for core chain rather, no, if core will become not anymore testnet but mainnet. So Shadowswap promised to be the DeFi, okay? Or it's a swap, no, where you can trade and earn with our coin, no? Oh, you see, oh. So it says here that Shadowswap is number one DEX on core chain from the shadows. Okay, Shadowswap is a one-stop decentralized trading protocol which utilizes the security, scalability, and decentralization of core blockchain, creating an open and safe marketplace for traders, liquidity providers, and developers. Okay, so this is built on core solid foundation supported by core DAO. Okay, so as of now, there are 5.3 thousand users and there are 63,000 trades made in the last 30 days. Okay, so core chain miners, by December 13, you will become core holders. Okay, and we can trade. Definitely, yeah, well, this is a test net. Hopefully, core swap, shadow swap that XYZ will really exist at the time when core coin will go into live. All right. So as they said, practice makes perfect. Okay. So let us do some trade here, no? So we're waiting, no? You can do mainnet. There are pools, but as of now, it's not still existing. It's waiting for the launching of the mainnet of core. But we can do some trade for practice. Okay. So let's swap. No? So I have there 2.12 core. What if I'm going to swap this to 1 shadow? You see? It's equivalent to 54.38 shadow. How about if I change it to USDT? So 1 T core now is 740 USDT. USDT will be future in the testnet, in the mainnet, this becomes USDT. As of now, it's for practice purpose. So see USDT. So 1 T core for now is equivalent to 740. No? Huh? We can swap this. You want to try? Let's try. Okay? All you have to do is you have to make it sure that your wallet is open. You have to ensure that your wallet is open. And when you say open, you have already signed up for your uh, it must be under core chain testnet, no? So these are my assets. Okay? So we can do swap here. Oh, so as you notice, let me show you again. So I have only 6,251 USDT. Now let me do the opposite. I want to swap my USDT, no? I want to swap my USDT to to Ticor, to Shadow. You see? What if I want 1,000? I have 1,000 there. I can swap. So it's equivalent to 74.31. So let's say I will swap that. Mm. Okay, so it asks for confirmation. Now, liquidity provider, it requires $4.9. Medyo mahal, no? But anyway, no, I will not do that. I'll cancel it. Let's say I will change it to Ticor. Okay, so $1,000 is equivalent to, no, I just want to have one Ticor. So I need to spend $731. Okay, I'm going to swap that. So the here in Shadowswap, you are to spend $1.82, no, for you to swap into one T-Core. Okay, let's just do it a practice. Let's confirm. Of course, it will require your approval in your wallet here. So we click confirm. So the total, no, you see. So the gas fee is in T-Core, no. The gas fee is in T-Core. So that's how the core will be utilized. It becomes the gas fee under this Shadow Swap XYZ. Let's confirm. So definitely sooner or later, uh, okay. All right. Okay, so close. So let us see. No, we have converted. That's how very fast the transaction was successful. You see, very fast. No. Okay, so let's me check. Uh, okay, so I have now 3.12. So there was indeed one the activity is there was swapping there. No? So one T core was swapped, no? Uh, was added. Uh, so that's how you do it here. So let us say our USDT we will buy not T core but we will buy say Shadow. Okay, so we want to have 100 Shadow. That's equivalent to 1,351 USDT. Okay, let me do it. Swap. Again, I'll accept the price. Okay, then we click confirm. Ayun. So again, let us see how much is the gas fee. Again, the gas fee will be in terms of T-Core. So, in other words, class, for you to operate in Shadowswap.xyz, you must have a T-Core. So, if you have T-Core, or you want to participate in this swapping, you have to buy T-Core if you don't have. But if you're core holder, there's no problem. Your T-Core will be utilized as gas fee. Okay, let's confirm. So, that's how nice this T-Core will be in the future. Okay, so the transaction was successful. I mean, it's still pending rather. I'm sorry. There. Let's wait. Okay. Okay, so transaction, we can receipt. So we can check it there. Okay, success. That's how very fast transaction in court chain. So come on guys, join. No? So start mine while it's still free. Okay, you can mine T-Core as of now. You follow? So I hope we all you have to do is access Shadow Swap XYZ, enter it, and you connect your wallet. So when you connect your wallet, we are using MetaMask. There is my address. Okay. So my wallet is T-Core. You need T-Core for transaction fees, no? So take note of that. So you must have T-Core. If you don't have T-Core, therefore you have to buy. So keep hold of your T-Core, ladies and gentlemen, no? Because in Swap, T-core, no, core will be the gas fee. So if it is the gas fee, just think of it. Somebody will be operating. They are to swap one coin to another, and they have to buy core. If we are the hoarders, so we will be happy. No? So in other words, definitely core will have value in the future. Why? Because it's the gas fee in the transaction. Okay? So, guys,
Welcome back to
double
Hispanusa
time.
TV!
Start mining
Alright!
T-core now. Start mining core now, huh? So, how would you mine core? Please watch my other video. Huh? I provided the link below for the link that you can sign with the core mining. You have still up to December 12. Up till December 12, guys. Start now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye!